What's up, guys? I have an offer that you absolutely can't refuse. If you're in the New York or New Jersey area and you're a real estate investor generating leads, or you have a referral source bringing you in these leads and you're having a hard time converting them, especially now with the competition being as stiff as it is, I have a highly skilled train of assassins in my office that are literally taking down deals left and right. We understand the psychology of the seller. More importantly, we understand how to get freaking creative and make deals work when other investors are having a hard time closing. If you want to get your deals done and you want to turn dead deals into serious freaking dollars, I'm talking 5 and 6 figure rips, call me. My information's below. DM me, PM me, whatever. I will connect you with my team in the office and we will take your leads. My team will call them. I'll have a team of cold callers if these leads are cold call them. I'll have my internal lead managers retake the information. I'll have my sales assassins close them up. I'll have my guy in the back office flip them over and turn them over. If we're gonna renovate them, I'll have my team go out, scope them out. We'll raise the money. We'll flip the freaking deals and everybody wins. This is a no freaking brainer. New York, New Jersey only. You have leads you can't convert. You're a real estate investor. You're a wholesaler. You're a bird dog. Whatever you are, wherever you are, call me. My number's below. This past weekend, we locked down 4 additional deals from guys that couldn't get them closed. We get on the phone. We've audio recorded it. We got the deals locked up. Today's Monday. 2 of those deals already sold, flipped, rolled over, wholesaled, 5-digit deals. Everybody wins. Call me, hit me. This is an offer you can't refuse. If you have leads you can't sell, call up Billy Alvaro, get my number from down below, hit me up, and let's make some money together.